Aside from tinting your windows, from keeping intruders from looking in, something as simple as locking your car doors can go a long way. Working from home has many benefits. One being as soon as you clock out, you can sit back, relax, and catch up on your shows. And if you don't want to be physically active, you can just sit in the sun and relax with friends and family.
I think it's a good idea to plan ahead to open, but be ready to make some changes if things necessitate it.
That is Dr. Kim Smith, an associate professor at North Carolina Agricultural and Technical State University, expressing his feelings and trust in the university's latest decision. In the email North Carolina A&T sent to students and staff, they announced that their campus will be returning to normal conditions for fall 2021 semester. Face-to-face instructions will take place and residence halls will be at full capacity. Dr. Smith thinks that A&T is handling the COVID situation well thus far.
Making their decisions based on the best science available. I couldn't have asked for a better public health plan.
However, Trente Dickens, a student at North Carolina A&T, doesn't think the university is ready to open up just yet, but says it's exciting for seniors to potentially get to enjoy their last year there.
I would be excited that we'll be trying to do normal stuff. But I guess I would still be kind of worried because COVID is still going around and I feel as though I'm just not ready.
Mr. Dickens is aware that COVID rates are going down, but he doesn't know how they will be after what he has seen on social media.
I've kind of been seeing a lot lately about how a lot of people want to go out this upcoming summer, so COVID cases are liable to increase.
One thing is for sure, both Dr. Smith and Mr. Dickens trust the university's decision-making with COVID-19. The only way to know if this idea will really work is to wait until August. In Greensboro, I'm Dillan Teabout, Aggie News. Ever since March of 2020, COVID-19 has affected our lives in many different ways. Working from home has become a new normal for many Americans today. Prior to this pandemic, just 20% of all jobs can be worked from home all or most of the time. Now that number has risen to 71%. According to Wallet Hub, our very own North Carolina is ranked number 2 as the best place to work at home. The scores are measured by work and living environments. Work environments are measured by internet access and the amount of people working from home, while living environments were measured by the price of internet and electricity, while also taking account for the average home size of the workers. Working from home has many benefits, one being as soon as you clock out, you can sit back, relax, and catch up on your shows. As for Joanne Edwards, she enjoys the freedom working from home allows her to have.
Have that advantage at home to be able to, if I want to walk, I can go walk in my cul-de-sac, or I can go do laundry on a break, or I can start dinner on my lunch, or things like that.
Working from home also benefit those who want to take care of their mental health or take care of their children.
Being able to step away and still be in a good environment, but also being more accessible to the kids being at school.
According to Wallet Hub's research, over half of Americans want to continue to work from home after the pandemic is over. Many of them, like Joanne, are wondering how the pandemic will change work in America and if working from home will become an option in the future.
It keeps us close to our families because you got to think most people spend anywhere from 8 to 12 hours away from home.
In Greensboro, I am Dillan Teabout, Aggie News. North Carolina A&T's Office of Career Services does everything in their power to help students find a career upon graduation. This week, the Office of Career Services is hosting drop-in hours for students to get resumes and cover letters reviewed while also answering career questions. Outside of the drop-ins, the Office of Career Services also provides mock interviews, job searching for internships, co-ops, full-time jobs, and jobs on campus. However, even with the help they provide, Ms. Shantae Gentry, the Assistant Director for Employer Relations at the Office of Career Services, doesn't think students take advantage.
I do not think students are taking advantage of career services. There are times when I have met with a senior that had no idea career services was a part of our campus.
Ms. Gentry also says that the office is there at the beginning by being at student orientations. They also host multiple amounts of activities on campus.
We host information sessions. We host workshops, and we would, host those workshops after class hours.
Speaking with various students on campus, many of them don't utilize the Office of Career Services. Something as simple as making it required could help.
It's either a freshman class or if if it's even like a senior capstone course, making it required.
Ms. Gentry wants students at A&T to see the Office of Career Services as something they need to do instead of an option. She says that students who use their services are greatly helped in finding a career after college. In Greensboro, I am Dillan Teabout, Aggie News.